Do you believe that producers in Bangladesh make 100 crore taka additional profit a day with 7% economic growth? Professor A.K. Enamal Haq explains it to you.
So now we realize the economy is 39th largest economy in the world. How many countries in Europe? European Union 25. If you look at Middle Eastern, there are countries. If you look at Africa, there are countries. South America, there are countries. North America, there are countries. If you start looking at them, you find out Bangladesh is actually quite large economy. One of the points that I always mention is that to understand that such a big economy, yet most of us do not even realize it, that this is a huge economy. It's much bigger than Sri Lanka, right? Which is richer than Bangladesh, but it's a per capita rich. Now, even if you are rich, remember the difference. If I am rich and if I only buy 32 billion and Bangladesh buy 320 billion, where you want to sell? If you want to sell something, you'd like to sell to an economy with, right? Exactly. So now you realize that why Bangladesh has become an important player in the global world, because its production value is quite high. You want to invest in an economy, you should always look into the GDP because that gives you the size of that economy. Now let me
size of the total market, sir, right?
Exactly, size of the total market. Whatever they buy, you say, look, they still buy a large amount. So let me go back to 320 billion. So there are two numbers I'm going to use. One is 320 billion and one is 28 trillion. Trillion taka. So we have either in taka or in dollars. These are the two GDP number for Bangladesh. Okay, now let me bring one more issue. What is our economic growth rate? Normal Bangladesh for the last 10 years, it was almost 7%.
7.9.
7.9. So let's say 7%. Make it simple. So if you have $320 billion and it is growing at 7%, how much it is adding every year? Multiply this.
Yes, 7%.
So 21, sir.
Huh?
Almost 21 billion almost.
21
1 or 2
billion dollar. Which means if this is the size of economy in 2020, in 2021, it will become bigger. Remember, it's bigger. And this one, the size that is becoming bigger is $21 billion. So it's like, if you think about this is the original 320. Next year, it will be additional. And this one is $21 billion. So growth rate means whatever you are producing last year, you will be producing last year exactly same, but you are adding 7% extra, which means you are adding roughly about $21 billion extra every year. So if there are certain producers are producing in Bangladesh, so this producer were producing in Bangladesh, this is in 2020. In 2021, the number of producers will remain same or more. So you are expecting some more people are coming. So remember the logic. So in 2021, you expect more producers. Okay. So it will happen that this 21 billion may be produced by the same group of people, so they might have increased their production, or they also increase part of it and new producers are adding more. So it may happen. Which one is likely? You will find out probably they will be producing more also. They will also produce more, but in addition, there will be new producers who will be producing. So this new production that you are looking at, 21 billion, so this 21 billion will come from partly from existing producer source like Square will produce more, some of the product, and some of the new producer will enter in the market. Okay, so remember, I'm not cutting anybody's pocket. I'm just saying 21. So if you have $21 billion additional production coming, how much is $21 billion in Taka? Billion
Yes,
Taka.
sir.
So remember, last year, whatever they were producing, this year, this much additional products they are going to produce. What is the rate of profit? Well, let's make it 20%.
20%.
So how much is the profit we will generate in 1 year? So how much additional profit? Remember, it's an additional profit we'll generate next year. So it is 1806 into 0.2 equal to?
So 361.2 billion taka.
That's fine. So this becomes, if I look into lakhs and crore, so we get this much crore, which is 36,100 crore taka additional profit somebody is generating between 20 and 21.
Additional.
Additional, remember, I'm not touching the last profit.
Right, sir. This is
So what you
additional.
should, this is additional profit. So it now tells you that if you want to look for profit, which country you should invest?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Now you realize why Bangladesh has become an attractive area of investment. It's almost 100 crore. So every day, Bangladesh is creating 100 crore additional profit,
Additional.
right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have money and if you say, I want to do business, and how many new producer enters into Bangladesh every day? Not many.
Right, sir.
So, okay, so now giving you the next number, said, okay, I look into the GDP and I can see the economy differently. I can see that there is a 36,000 crore just profit. Forget about the rest. What are the rest? We know there are profit. There are wages. Remember, we have to pay wages, right? Interest.
Right, sir.
And rent. Rest are going into other way. But just the profit itself is 36,000 crore in Bangladesh. Okay. So
please subscribe to this channel to receive updates on new videos.